Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Romz. In today's video, I have a very special guest that will introduce to you the video tutorial we are going to make for today.
Hi guys, my name is Kaylin. We're gonna be making a Christmas paper flower where it's gonna be looking like this.
Yes. The name of this Christmas paper flower is Poinsettia. It is very easy to make and definitely you're gonna have some fun making it with
your kids.
Yes. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I would really love you to be part of my DIY family. So please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time I'll be making a new video, you'll get notified. So if you wanted to know how to make this, just keep on
watching my mom's video.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
So the materials that we need for today are the following. You will need a pair of scissors, some cardstock papers, a pencil, glue gun and glue sticks, and of course, our flower templates. Get your cardstock paper, the paper flower template, a pencil, and your scissor. What you're going to do is you are going to trace the paper flower template to the paper that you're going to use and cut it by your scissor. By the way, guys, there are two options for you to cut these paper flowers. First option is what I'm doing right now. You have to trace it and cut it by your scissor. The second option is if you have cutting machines like Cricut or Silhouette, you can do that. The only difference if you're going to use the cutting machine is just making your life easier cutting those paper flowers, but the result is it's still the same. So this is how it looks like. And what I did, I pre-cut the paper flower petals that I'll be using for today's tutorial to make it faster. And I'll be using a different color, which is the color cream. And the sizes of the petals I'll be using for today is 7.5 inches, 6.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 4.5 inches. Next is we are going to fold each petal to make a crease. Now I will use a pencil to just slightly crease them. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold them together like so, all of them, so that we can create that sharp crease in the middle of each petals. And then just continue the same process for all the remaining petals. Now that we're done creasing or folding each petals, what we are going to do next is we are going to assemble them and stack them together like so. And you will need to use your glue gun, and at the bottom of the second largest petal, just add a little bit of the glue and then glue it at the top of the largest petal. And then just continue the process until all the petals are glued together. So there you go. This is how it looks like. And what we are going to do next is we're going to add the center of this flower. I have these templates as well. I cut it with my machine, the Cricut maker, but if you don't have that, you can actually use a different style of center. And I will definitely link this template as well into the description down below so you can download it for free. So what we are going to do is just to fold them together like this, all of them, and then we're gonna glue them to the center of our flower. So there you have it. It's very simple to make and very elegant looking paper flower for Christmas. So I'm gonna make another one of this in color red. I'm just gonna show you on how it looks like if you use your cutting machine. As you can see here, there are scored lines in the middle of each petals, so it will make your life easier when you're folding the middle of the petals. Also, it's actually saving you a lot of time on cutting because of course the machine is faster than you. So the process is the same. That's the only difference if you have the cutting machine or just cutting it by yourself. And guys, I really don't know why I'm so redundant on this video, but you know what? Let's just finish this and watch until the end.